Chiwenga odedzera kuti vese vari kutora mota nemari kuna Sir Wicknell ED ZANU-PF. Muchachiona, please don't take those cars. Welcome to Zim Celebrity TV. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. But if you are returning subscriber, welcome back. Once the government chabuda pachigaro ndopa muchaona makapusa.
My advice, brethren Helen, to those who are receiving those cars, I want you to do 2 prayers. Number 1, pray that this rogue government stays in power long enough that by the time they lose power, that car will be long forgotten. Because if we get a God-fearing, accountable government, you are going to be asked to pay back the value of that car when it was new. Because if you receive stolen property, you are an accomplice in theft. Number 2, pray that this government stays in power forever. For this case never to come back again. I can assure you, brethren Helen, it will be embarrassing very soon. We are going to hear people saying, we are sorry, we didn't know that the money was stolen. We are saying it now. Take my words and lock them up in a very safe place. The time will come. Varukutengerwa mota, varukutengerwa dzimba. Make sure kuti muneta minamato miviri. Wokutanga ndokuti motikari iparare vanhu vokukanganwa nezvayo. Hurumende isati yabva. Kana kuti munamata hurumende irambe ichikotonga. Which prayer will not be answered. Their time is up. Very soon, we are going to have a Trump situation in Zimbabwe. You are going to see.
I'm sure you have heard from the horse's mouth. Hanzi musatore mota idzo nemari dzamuri kupuhwa nembavha idzoka dziya moto wembavha watove mbavha. Thank you so much guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.